In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom button on a related list in Salesforce. This process is straightforward and will take about 5 minutes. So let's dive in and get started. First, we need to log into Salesforce. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of your screen. Here, you'll find the familiar gear icon. That's your gateway to all things customization. Click on it and then select Advanced Setup. This will open up a new world of configurations and options for you to explore. Now, let's move on to utilizing the Quick Find search bar. In the top left corner, you'll notice this handy tool designed to make your navigation a breeze. Type in Object Manager and select it from the drop-down. Object Manager is your control center for managing all things related to objects within Salesforce. It's where you manage the fields, relationships, and most importantly for us, page layouts. At this point, you'll need to select the parent object. This refers to the main object to which your related list is connected. Think carefully about which object you need, as this defines where your custom button will ultimately appear. Next, find and click on Page Layouts within the selected parent object. The page layout editor that opens up is where all the magic happens. Here, you have the power to shape and model the way your records appear. Find the layout that you wish to modify and open it. With the page layout visible, you should now scroll down until you locate the Related List section. This part of the interface displays various related records connected to your main object. Take a moment to verify you are in the correct section so that you don't accidentally modify the wrong components. Spot the wrench icon on the related list and give it a click. This little tool is similar to a settings menu for your related list. Upon clicking, you'll be exposed to the options available for customization. Here's where you add your custom button. This step is crucial as it allows you to incorporate functionality specific to your needs directly onto your related list. Customize it to suit your business processes or to enhance usability. After you've added the button, don't forget to save your work by clicking OK. This not only saves your layout, but also implements the changes you've made, making your custom button live and functional. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively added a custom button to a related list in Salesforce. This newly added customization can streamline tasks, improve efficiency, and provide enhanced interaction with your Salesforce records. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide proved helpful as you continue to customize your Salesforce experience.